Hi, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today Andre will cut my hair.
That is a hairdress I've been very inspired at the Edgar Hoover from the 60s.
Yeah, let's get to it.
The chase will be worth it. She ain't the type to play around. She'll tell you what she needs. And if you promise that you'll love her right, well then she'll never leave, never leave. I can spend forever, 'cause you're nothing like my old girl.
In this week I have been very inspired by a haircut in the movie called J. Edgar. It's from the 60s, mid-60s I think. And the guy who's had it in the movie called Leonardo DiCaprio. And then watch. And this haircut has to be really short, so my scissor and comb can't get it so short, so I have to use the machine like 2 millimeters.
They say nothing lasts, but this feeling is so good, it's so good. And I've been searching so long, yeah, I'm glad that I found you, I found you. On and off, but we're never fighting, love is hating, you know I'm smiling.
When you have to style this haircut, it has to be really classic. If any of you have Googled J. Edgar Hoover, you will all see that it's very straight and very classic hairstyle. I hope you will like it.
I hope so. But I'm sure I will, because I like classic hairstyles.
Yeah, and in Denmark it's very fashionable if you have very classic hair at the moment.
Come on, be my new girl, there's nothing left to do, girl, and I need you, girl, so be my new girl, come on, be my new girl, be my new girl, be my new girl, be my new girl, come on, be my new girl, be my new girl, be my new girl, be my new girl, come on, be my new girl. Now that I got you by my side, I'll never let you go. Girl, I promise that I'll always do you right, do you right.
Right now I'm just thinning the hair. This makes it easier to style the hairstyle afterwards because it has to go back. Too much hair is too heavy.
On your mind, baby. There's nothing left to do, girl. I've been missing you, girl. So be my new girl. Come on, be my new girl. There's nothing left to do, girl. And I need you, girl. So be my new girl. Come on, be my new girl. I know they say nothing lasts, but this feeling is so good. It's so good.
We have to do it all wet, like it's just come out of the shower. And then I will towel dry it and put some hybridized waxy in. And I come from Denmark.
We sure do.
But
We sure do.
put the comb or the brush back on it, and there will come a little in like this, and you just comb it away from each other, and then you have an all straight. Hybridized wax. And just add a little bit hybridized wax when the hair is dry, just to add a little bit shine, and then the hair will stay. I will just add a little bit hairspray from H.H. Simonsen, just to get the whole. The product for the day will be hybridized wax and the hairspray from H.H. Simonsen. More details about the color will come on the description on the video.
Just push the show more button, you'll find it.
Don't forget to subscribe, and please write a comment on this video and tell how you think about the new cut on Rasmus.
Yeah, we would really like some feedback from you guys. It's very important for us. Stay tuned. Peace. Thank you for watching this episode, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and rate this video, and of course share it with your best friends. Peace out.
Something in a smile that says the chase will be worth it. She ain't the type to play around. She'll tell you what she needs. And if you promise that you'll love her right, well then she'll never leave, never leave. I can spend forever, 'cause you're nothing like my old girl. And I've been missing you for so